this, you can do this one also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am saving this one.
Word basement and adjustment elevation.
Yes.
Elevation.
TN. Okay, which one? TNF 02/12/20. Today's date. Okay. Okay, right. That one over. Now we have. I am coming to our job. In this we are using Foresight for Nikon. Foresight for Nikon. This is the software. It will work up to 30 days. Trial version only. We have that dongle is not there. If the dongle is there, you can do. Now Traverse. Our folder is TNF. Where it is? Oh, this one. Next. Just finish. Okay, this is the desktop in Foresight for Nikon job. Now we have to import the data. Before that, we have to some settings. User options, format. We have done easting followed by northing, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Nothing is.
Okay. Now, project options, format, units, meters, centimeters. You can check. Okay. Now, file, import, text format.
Yes, sir.
Text format. Now, data is in text format now. Where it is? In C drive, TNF, this one. Open. Our file is TNF TRE. Okay. Open. Our delimiter is comma. Next. Now see here point numbers. This column name is not there. Okay, it's not showing. Here we have to select from these radio buttons. Point number, easting, northing elevation. Point number, easting, northing elevation. We have given these all now. Description is old. Okay, so just select this radio button. Here this is easting, northing elevation. Now it's came. Click on next. Here, what we want to download, only points. Here it will show the points in one layer wise. We can draw any details in layer wise. Roads one layer, ground one layer, power lamp post one layer, buildings one layer. Like this, we can create different layers, detail wise. Okay, that is, it will save automatically points layer. Otherwise, you can create one layer, but new layer. This is. I am not creating. Just it will save in the points layer. Now, starting point number 1. When whatever points are there, it will start the number 1 with. Just finish. Would you like to see the report? If you click on yes, it will show the report. What data have downloaded from that file. Otherwise, if you don't want, just click on no. I am want to show. This is the report. Imported ASCII coordinates, point number, northing, easting, elevation, description. Okay. Already these coordinates we have in Traverse adjustment report. So no need this one. I am not saving this one. Okay. See, nothing is displaying. Just click on this fit window. This is fit window. Zoom extends. These are the points. Here, these 2 points are known. Ground points. These 2 are known. We surveyed these 4 points. These 4 points. So, this is a Traverse job now. Yeah. We created control. So, we have to connect these all lines. We have to show the path of Traverse line. For that one, first just create one layer, new layer. Go to new layer. Traverse line. traverse line. You can select color. Okay, for point or line. Okay, line type also you can select whatever you want. Just to solid, click OK. Now, if you want to draw, here one icon is there. Otherwise, map, add sets.
Add sets.
Add sets. Otherwise, just here right click here in this area. Here click on map. It will switch on. These are the icons you have to use. Okay. Here map, add set. Both are same. Here map, add sets or this icon.
Map add sets.
Map add sets. Okay. Just click on this one. Here see, if you have serial numbers, sir, అది ప్రింట్ చేసి మీ టేబుల్ పెట్టాను, మీ టేబుల్ ఉన్నాయండి, ప్రింట్ చేశాను, జిరాక్స్ పంపించాను, అక్కడ ఎవరు లేకపోతే మీ టేబుల్ పెట్టుకున్నాను, రేపు చేయించుకున్నాను. అది మీరు జస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ జస్ట్ యూ వాంట్ టు కనెక్ట్ ఆల్ దీస్ పాయింట్స్ నో అయిపోయినాడు. You can draw automatically using its numbers. Here see, we have click on add sets. Here enter a list of points.
1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Just click on create.
అది ఆర్డర్ ట్రావెలింగ్.
Otherwise, 1, 2, 6 it's not connected, no?
Yes, sir.
Here 1, 2, 6, comma 1. Here only 6 points are there. That's why we can do like this. Otherwise, while doing detail survey, you may survey sometimes lamp post, then road, then ground, like this. So serial number will not come. At that time, you can use code. But you have to, you must have different codes for every detail. For example, you are doing road. For both edges, if you give same code, it will give add zigzag. If you have for south edge and north edge separate codes, then it will give add all south edge points, all north edge one differently. Okay, this is the point. If you don't know the serial number, whatever you want to add, then just go to manually. Just click on this mouse. You have to click on points. If you click on anywhere on the screen, it won't add. Just click here. You must click on this plus mark. Okay. Yes. See. If you click on this,
Is the manual?
no, only on point only. That point should have coordinates. If you have coordinates, that time only it will add. Okay. Now just right click. Otherwise, you have done creating set. It's over. Okay. Now how to keep the text here? Otherwise, how to keep the symbols first? For that, for symbols, I am going to create one new label. Symbol. Layer symbol. Color this one. Okay. If you want at a time, you can select code wise or at a time. Here different codes are there now, so you have to do different times. For that one, creating here nothing symbol is not there. So these are tools, single line work command. Tools, single line work command. Whichever description is there, you can select one by one. P25. Which layer you want? Draw lines. Yeah, here like this it will show. We don't want lines, just symbol only for that point. Points, which layer? Symbol. Okay, point labels don't want. And point symbol. This is B25 now. We surveyed that point. Just take this one. This is not known point. We surveyed. Okay. Here size is 0.8. You can keep. Here which one we have saved? B25 now. Here not showing. Just go to view. point labels. Sorry,
Non-point
here
plate.
point labels. See, symbol is came. Okay. Previously there is no symbol here
Yeah.
like this. Then you go to tools, single line word command. Select one by one. P25
Line.
points symbol. In it you say in symbol layer point symbol this one. Just click on OK. Like this tools. Next
For all the point we have to do.
all the points. Okay. PG&E, this is known point, no?
Yes, sir.
For this one, change the symbol.
Diagram east.
See, these are the symbols. They have kept.
Non-point is triangle.
Known points are triangle. These are surveyed points. Okay. Now we have to keep text for that points. Here one PGS is showing, no?
Yes.
These are non-printable points, labels. Okay. If you want to off this one, just view non-plotting point labels. This is the figure. Okay. If you want to keep the text or print the text, you have to keep the text. For that one, text.
Every point you have to type.
Yes, one. Number 1 point. Style you can select. Otherwise, font name. Number of font styles are there. You can select your wish, but it should be clear. The style height is 0.5. We'll keep C. Yeah. Here it's going in symbol layer. We have to keep in another layer text. Okay. Text 1. Just add new. After setting all style, font size, etc., you have to type its text also. Add new. Here see text came now. Here text.
Yeah, yeah.
You can increase its size. No, double click. Apply. It's increased, no? Okay, every time you have to do like this. Otherwise, you can copy this one for avoiding selecting all styles and height. Copy and paste. Then edit the text. Just close this one. Edit. Copy object. First select the object. Then copy from. Click on copy from here to here. From here to here. From here to here. Okay, so now you can edit it. Which this is PC SC, no? Apply.
E and PG&E.
This is number 2.
E and
This is PC. Apply. Simply you can type third. This one. BM1 or how much? What is it? This name.
1 to 5.
Here. You're not there. BM1. Okay. BM1. This is 4. This is B25. TN5
TN5 and TN6.
and this is 6. Apply, close. This is TN6. Apply. Okay. Till here you can practice now. Occupy this system and that one also. For downloading, you can take if you want data, take this data in pen drive.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you can practice downloading through system instrument. Okay.
Yes.
Right. I'll come.